Welcome back to another episode here on The Richter Show. And today we are going to take a look at some basics of the Meta glasses. So I'm going to be reviewing them. I'm going to do some video footage to see how it looks like. And I'll be doing the unboxing as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unbox it. This is more or less how it comes. I already opened it up, obviously, because I have to make sure everything was there. So you will receive it more or less in a box like this. The other side is where the label is. But here we go. That's what it says. New way to capture, share, and listen. Alright, so let's take it out. The box over here. And this is more or less what you will receive. Like this. I'm not going to show my barcodes on it, but let's see, Wayfarer, that's the one I got. Now it will have like a little strip right here which you actually have to peel out, and then you go ahead and you open it up. Listen, call, live stream, and I guess the other one is in French. Okay, so this is what you will be receiving. It does come with a case. The case does function as a charger. The charger port is down here. So just for the sake to show you, see how it lights up. Now that means that basically it's like charging, or it's fully charged. If you are wondering where the reset button is, it took me a while to find it. It's actually back here. There's a little dot right there. You gotta hold it. And this is what you use for actually pairing with your Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. And remember, you need the case to charge it. And here it is. This is how you would receive it. I already set mine up. So I'll more or less explain a little bit about it and how to use it. As you can see right here, there's a little light that turns on. It will also light up indicating if it's actually out of battery. And let's put this a little bit over here. I'm going to take these off. And now you control the volume here. It's like a little touchpad. You just press it. You can listen to music. If you slide it up, it goes, the music volume goes up. Slide it this way, music volume goes down. There is a little thing right here. It's like a little slided button. It's kind of hard to see. And then if you put it like this, basically you turn the Meta glasses off. Put it like this, you turn the Meta glasses back on. Now there is audio that comes out through here. More or less, I guess kind of people can hear your conversation if they're close to you, but the speakers are kind of integrated into this right here, so it's really close to your ear, so I would say it's fairly private. Now over here, the interesting side. Here is where the video turns on. So I'm going to try to turn it on so that way you have a feel and see what it looks like. So as you can see, there's like a little light on right here, which shows you that the Meta glasses are actually recording. And unfortunately, you can't turn that light off. That's just a way for people to know that you are actually filming. And you can also take pictures with it, and you will hear in the speakers the actual sound of the picture being taken. And you basically can do it manually if you want to. You can press it once here, and if you press it once here, you can actually take a picture. If you keep it held for a little bit, the video recording starts, and if you press it again, the video recording would stop. Let's put it over here. When it comes to setting it up, you're gonna have to download this app right here, which is called the Meta View. And then in here is where you can actually make all your settings. That way in here you get to pair it up. It's actually very self-explanatory, and you can actually do it without really using the instructions or the manuals or anything like that. I just watched another video similar to this, and then I installed it myself. Once again, it will teach you process one step at a time, and then you can actually later on import your videos, import everything, and it will go straight to your phone. So you need to have your phone really close to the glasses, that way it can actually work. So another neat thing that this does bring you, let's put this to the side, is behind here. It does bring, let's see if I can even get it out. There you go. Bring you these little nice little Ray-Ban cloths so you can actually clean your glasses and you don't scratch them. And then on the other side, if you open it up like this, it will have like manuals, and if you see, it gives you all the explanation of everything, and that way you know how to use it. And if for some reason you don't know what the name of the app is, or you don't want to get scammed, or you're unsure, you can always scan the QR code here, or the same box itself will bring you the QR code. It works for Android and iPhone as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a test with the Meta glasses. I'm at a Best Western right now, and that way we can review the glasses and the quality of it. So this is me wearing the Meta glasses. There's an ice and vending machine over here, which I want to be able to show. I guess the vending machine is gone, but the ice machine is still here. And this is the pool area. I mean, it's not that big, but it's, at least it's, you know, a pool, and you can come and relax if you want to. Now, it's actually a pretty nice sunny day for it. Oh wow, I made a mistake. There is one here. This just looks like it's one of the regular rooms, and it just got turned into a mini gym, which is kind of interesting to see. Yeah, this is one of the actual rooms, and there's a bathroom there. Hey, but it's the thought that counts, and it's quite interesting. Oh, there I am again. I do have to mention that the Meta glasses do actually, they dim. That way, when I'm outside, they darken. Would I recommend these glasses? I guess if you're a little tech savvy and you want to have a little more comfort and actually keep up with technology, yes, I would 100% endorse these. I do like them. I do enjoy them. I feel the hands-free is actually amazing, and the way that I can just give it voice commands and be able to take pictures or videos or get explanation, to answer phone calls, listen to music. I mean, it's really, really cool. Anyway, if you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next, I guess, update of the Meta glasses review.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter Show.